Hello students, I am Dr. Deepshikha Acharya from Sagar Institute of Research and Technology Bhopal. In this video, I am going to explain about the concept of wave packet. In my earlier video, I am already explained about the de Broglie hypothesis. So de Broglie hypothesis have a certain kind of drawback because it does not have a very much significance in the quantum mechanical description. Why this happened? Some mathematical calculation have suggested that the velocity of the wave packet, the velocity of single monochromatic wave is much larger than the velocity of the matter particle. If you have remembered or not, I am going to say that de Broglie hypothesis suggested that every moving particle is associated with a matter wave, which is a single monochromatic wave. But theoretical calculation says that the velocity of this matter wave is much larger than the velocity of the material particle. Then how it is possible that they are associated with each other? So this concept raise a question in the mind of the various scientists that whether this phenomena is totally wrong, the wave particle duality is only for the light, or there is something other which we miss. यहाँ पर कुछ ऐसा है जो हम नहीं समझ पा रहे हैं. During this time of confusion, Schrödinger arises and he suggests the concept of wave packet. Now the concept of wave packet have a much significance in the field of quantum mechanics. Besides these theoretical assumptions, which says about the theoretical calculation, there are some theoretical assumptions also जिन्होंने भी साइंटिस्ट को ये सोचने के लिए मजबूर किया कि जो सिंगल मोनोक्रोमेटिक वेव है वो पार्टिकल के साथ एसोसिएट नहीं हो सकती. एज वी ऑल नो दैट वेव इज अ स्प्रेड एंड पार्टिकल इज हाईली लोकलाइज्ड. वेव जो है वो बहुत बड़े रीजन में फैली हुई रहती है, बिखरी हुई रहती है, जबकि जो पार्टिकल है, क्योंकि एक सिंगल मोनोक्रोमेटिक वेव का एम्पलीट्यूड जो है वो कांस्टेंट होता है. बट जब हम बात करते हैं पार्टिकल की, तो पार्टिकल इज हाईली लोकलाइज्ड. It is situated in a particular space, particular position. Particle have a particular position, but wave does not have a particular position. This concept is also shows that it is not possible that single monochromatic wave, which according to de Broglie is a matter wave, is associated with a particle. So what is the concept of wave packet? So Schrödinger assumed that every moving particle does not associate with single monochromatic wave, but it associates with a wave packet. What is this wave packet? This wave packet is a group of so many waves which develop when a particle, which is a matter particle, is moving. Okay? So group of several single monochromatic wave is called a wave packet, and these waves have the property that they are not have totally same properties. That means उनकी कुछ प्रॉपर्टीज सेम होती है, बट उनकी कुछ प्रॉपर्टीज आर डिफरेंट. दैट लाइक देयर एम्पलीट्यूड मे बी सेम, बट देयर फ्रीक्वेंसी एंड वेवलेंथ आर डिफरेंट. एंड a new wave pattern has been formed because of the superposition of these waves, because these waves are moving together. So अगर वो एक साथ मूव करेंगी तो ऑटोमेटिकली सुपरपोजिशन ऑफ वेव्स होगा, और अगर सुपरपोजिशन होगा तो बिकॉज ऑफ द डिफरेंस ऑफ देयर प्रॉपर्टीज they form a new kind of wave, and this new kind of wave is called wave packet. Group of several monochromatic wave is formed a wave packet, and this wave packet is formed because of the superposition of single monochromatic waves which are associated with a particle. That means in short we can say every moving particle is associated with group of waves, number of waves instead of single monochromatic wave when it is moving. And how this develop? We can see by this diagram also, because of the superposition of single monochromatic wave. So there are two velocities now for the wave. First is phase velocity and second is the group velocity. What are these velocities? Velocity of component wave of a wave packet. That means the waves which are responsible for the formation of wave packet have a velocity, different velocity than wave packet in some conditions, and this velocity of single monochromatic waves, which are the component of wave packet, have phase velocity. उनकी जो velocity है उसको phase velocity कहा जाता है, and we can represent by this equation Vp is equals to omega y k. And the velocity of the wave packet is called group velocity because it is actually the velocity of group of waves, which is made, and this make the phenomena of group velocity. We can represent group velocity Vg is equals to d omega by dk. So thank you for viewing this small video, and my next lecture I am going to explain about the group velocity and phase velocity in detail.